Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe, bringing y'all another bang. And for those that is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tell a friend to meet us at 10. And for the returning viewers, I gracefully say thank you. Now, we're jumping right in with a shoe review that I think is the sleeper sneaker of the year. That's right, the Jordan 3 Green Glows. Your boy had to cop these when I saw them. They reminded me too much of the black cement 3s that are gonna drop later on this year. They got the same colorway. The only difference is you get a few green hints going through the shoe with the eyelids and the actual shoelace holes. So when it comes down to it, I did a lace swap. Yes, that's right. Your boy put in neon green laces just to give it a little bit more pop off the regular green glow hints that's going throughout the shoe. Once again, it's the same color pattern as the black cement 3s, but people slept on them. Right now, you can still get these for basically under retail. Check StockX or your basic website like Snipes. They have them sitting still, guys. This right here is a sleeper sneaker. The leather is tumbled and it's plush. I like the way this Jordan feels on my foot. It gives you that cushion. And Jordan 3s is always comfortable, but for some odd reason, this is feeling like a premium leather type of shoe. So once again, it dropped earlier this year, my friend. Tell your friends to go out and try to copy. Your boy had to get these. These are dope. They have the green insoles in the bottom of the actual shoe, and you get that light green glow hint with the Jordan actual at the bottom of the sole. So once again, your boy been wearing these. I put miles in them. Did y'all get them? What do y'all think? I'm saying this is a sleeper sneaker of the year. It even gives you that green glow elephant print with the green glow Jumpman in the middle. So once again, Al Woo with the shoe, bringing you that sauce to teach you how to be a boss, lace swaps, and if you want to try to keep your shoes as clean as mine, go on to my Facebook business page, Al Woo with the shoe. Book for appointments. You know what I mean? Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.